potato, tomato, cucumber, garlic, pumpkin, beet, turnip, radish, pepper, carrot, onion, cabbage, pea, eggplant, corn. Press the button for a test. Where is the potato? Well done. Potato. Where is the cucumber? Very good. Cucumber. Where is the eggplant? Exactly. Eggplant. Where is the turnip? Very good. Turnip. Where is the onion? Keep it up. Onion. Where is the pepper? Perfect. Pepper. Where is the pumpkin? Well done. Pumpkin. Where is the pea? Keep it up. Pea. Where is the carrot? Perfect. Carrot. Where is the beet? Exactly. Beet. Where is the radish? Very good. Radish. Where is the cabbage? Excellent. Cabbage.